Welcome back, superhumans. Today's mission is critical. Phishing emails are everywhere, lurking in inboxes, waiting for one wrong click. But fear not. We'll equip you with the skills to identify and defeat these cyber threats. Phishing emails disguise themselves as urgent messages from trusted sources. One click on a malicious link could compromise your personal data, banking info, or even company networks. Step 1, inspect the sender. Phishers often use email addresses that look similar to legitimate ones. Always double-check for slight misspellings or strange domains. Your first line of defense. Step 2, spot the urgency trap. Phishing emails often use panic tactics, account closures, financial warnings, or security alerts. Take a deep breath. If it's real, you can verify it safely. Step 3, hover before you click. Links can be deceiving. Hover your cursor over them to preview the actual destination. If it looks suspicious, don't click. Step 4, verify before you trust. If an email asks for sensitive information, contact the company directly through official channels. Never trust unexpected requests for passwords or financial details. Congratulations, superhumans. By staying alert, verifying emails, and avoiding suspicious links, you're now a formidable force against phishing scams. Keep up the fight and stay cyber strong.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.